Hey guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. I've got the day off work today. I'm just having my multivitamin, and then I'm gonna make a smoothie and a cup of tea. You can probably hear the kettle boiling in the background. It's meant to be a nice day today, so I'm going to have my smoothie and my tea and everything, and then I'm gonna go film a video for YouTube, and I think I'm going to do a colourful series, so may do a yellow look today, I'm not sure yet. And then I'm going to put some washing on and then go meet my sister for coffee. I'm going to go get my nails done today because as you can see they're super grown out. So going to get my nails done, and then yeah, I thought I would just show you my day again. I like filming vlogs. I think it's kind of cool to show you guys what I am getting up to. My spring wellness box just arrived as well from Bellabox, so I think I might film an unboxing today too. So I just tried this for the first time. I normally like to put SPF on separate to my moisturizer, but we're going to Bali, so I was like, this might be a good option for moisturizer and SPF all in one, and then obviously reapply the SPF throughout the day because it is very hot over there. But I just put it on and it's actually feels really nice. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, and sometimes chemical SPFs can make my skin feel a little bit funny, a little bit tingly or itchy, but I don't feel anything with this, so it's a really good sign so far. I think this is gonna be perfect for Bali because it's not thick, so love that. I'm gonna keep testing it out for a few more days to make sure that I don't have any reactions or anything to it, but all looks good so far. So now I'm gonna go make my smoothie, and then I'm gonna go film 2 videos before I go meet my sister. Okay guys, so I just finished filming my videos. I filmed my Bellabox Welcome to Wellness unboxing, and inside with these are freaking delicious. Have you guys tried them at all? They're from a brand called Shelby's Healthy Hedonism. They're almonds coated in yogurt and then dusted with cinnamon. Apparently they have other flavors though, so I'm gonna go to Woolies and see what they have. I'm about to go hang out some washing, and then I'm gonna go get my nails done and then meet my brother and my sister and have some coffee. So I think we might go on a little walk as well, so I'll bring you guys along. So I'm just about to drive home. This is what my nails look like. So they're a light pink color. I love them though. She did such a good job with the shape and the length and everything. So yeah, I'm just about to go home now. Just went to the supermarket and grabbed a couple things, and then I think Ben and I are going to go to the gym, but first I will have to take off this makeup. The video for this look should be up on my channel before this vlog goes up, so I will link that down below as well so you guys can check that out. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what we make for dinner tonight. I might probably be something really simple, but Ben will most likely cook it because I'll probably be editing. Hello everyone, so it is almost 8 p.m. We are just having dinner now. I'm about to go grab mine. I've just washed my face and I put on the You to the People Super Very Sleep Dream Mask. It's really nice. It feels very plump and hydrated, and it smells really good too. So I am gonna have my food and then I'm gonna do some editing. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. So we've got these chicken patties here that Ben has made, and then we also have some quinoa. Very quick and easy dinner tonight because we got back from the gym not too long ago, but Ben cooked dinner for us, which is really nice. He worked all day, so he's pretty tired as well, and we just want to relax. So I'm gonna eat this and then do some editing. Okay guys, so it's currently 10:20. I've just finished editing the look I filmed today for my makeup, so that will be going up on Friday. I thought I would show you though the magnesium I take. So I bought this the other day. This is from the brand Ethical Nutrients. It's a mega magnesium. It's just a powder because I suck at taking tablets, but I've been taking it before bed because I was getting really bad cramps in my feet It is also because I get really tight like calves, so I need to keep stretching them and rolling them more. But this is meant to help you sleep as well. Like, I don't know why, like for the past like week or two, every day I wake up at like 3 or 4 in the morning and I'm like wide awake, and then I can't get back to sleep for like 15-20 minutes, half an hour sometimes. And then Ben gets up at like 4:45 to go to work, so I get woken up a little bit then as well. But yeah, apparently this is meant to help you sleep, so we are going to keep trying and hope that it works. So it comes like this. It's like a powder and you have a scoop. It actually absorbs really good and it smells like the strawberry Nesquik. It doesn't taste like that, unfortunately. It just kind of doesn't really have much of a taste. It tastes like a little bit like raspberry, like it's meant to be raspberry flavor, but it's a very mild taste. So I'm going to drink this and then brush my teeth and head off to bed. So thanks for watching if you have made it to the end of this video. I think I'm going to try and film like a few vlogs here and there because I really enjoy making them, and it's kind of nice to show you guys like a little bit of a different side, not a different side of me, but it's nice to show you guys what I'm kind of doing throughout the day when I'm filming. I'm going to Sydney on the 26th and 27th of this month, September. This will probably be up when I'm there, maybe. I have to see what I'm uploading, but if not, the vlog for Sydney will be coming after this one, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I upload 2 times a week, Monday and Friday at 10 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a great work day. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you're doing, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Nighttime stars, 7 days a week, the darkest hours.